Right, a little bit wobbly there. Right, let's say I'm ready to pipe my chocolate buttercream. I have just boiled the kettle, and what you need to do is just drop a few drops of boiling hot water into the buttercream. This will make it ready for piping. It's got to be really, really hot. So I'm just going to whiz this up again and then come back to you, and we will perhaps do a recap on filling the piping bag. I'll just introduce there. I have the Wilton 2D closed start nozzle, and I have a disposable piping bag. So I'm just going to measure how far I need to cut, and then I'm just going to cut the tip off and then put the nozzle into the piping bag. So I'm just going to whisk this up, get the piping bag ready, and then do a little bit on how to easily fill your piping bag without making any mess. So don't forget, if you're just about to pipe, that's when you do the hot water. If you're leaving it to rest or putting it in the fridge, you don't do the hot water then. You do it when it comes out of the fridge or the freezer. Hot water is only when you're just about to pipe. So, see you in a bit.